Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing one right here in my hand, and basically what it is a stainless steel food jar. Obviously there's a lot of other types out there available in the market today, but this is the one that we got right here. I did want to show you guys a few other ones first before I actually open up this one here. So this one right here I've been using for quite some time and it's super convenient. All you guys need to do is open up this part right here on the side and then pull this part open like this. So you get the first layer right here where you can put food inside here. You get another layer inside there. You can put food inside here. And that's basically everything that's in this compartment right here. So the way how they designed this product is the fact that it's insulated and it's vacuum sealed. So that way you can keep the product warm in here, whether it be soup, rice, or whatever. Obviously, you guys don't want to pour the stuff inside here. You guys want to pour it into these right here. So this one of these right here, if you guys open up, if you guys can see how much space is inside right there. And once you guys done, close it back up, put it inside here. You guys are done with that part. And then you guys have this other part right here that you can open up as well. You guys open up like that and put stuff inside there. So that way you can keep the stuff separated. So whether you guys want to put the soup in the bottom and then like the food on top, you guys can definitely do that. And then once you guys are done, close it back up, put this part back here, clip it back in, and it's all set. So definitely keep your stuff either warm or cold for a certain amount of time. I believe it's usually around like 6 hours to 8 hours or so for these containers. This one in particular does come with a bag, but I don't have that with me right now. But I do have another one that I want to show you guys as well. That is very similar to the one that I just showed you guys right here. So this one is very similar to the one that I just showed you guys right here, but it's a little bit bigger and it comes with more stuff. Let me actually open up this one first and show you guys what this one looks like first before we open up this one. So when you guys open up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside here. So this one comes with a little bag, if you can see. And the bag is very similar to the one that they give you guys for the other one. If you can see right here, it's very similar bag that they give you right here. But like I said, I don't have it with me right now. The next thing I can see inside here is the actual product itself right here. But before I show you guys that, I want to show you guys what else is in here first. So you can see they do provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to clean it, how to maintain it, and everything else. And last thing that they provide for you guys right here is this spork right here, which is very cool. It's not like your normal sporks because this one is stainless steel. If you can see, it's stainless steel. I think this is the first time I've ever seen like a spork that is stainless steel. Usually the sporks that I use are all plastic that's used in my school or whatever. And it comes with this little covers and they actually bring it with you guys on the go, whatever if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, at school, or whatever. But that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself right here. Let me show you guys what the product looks like here. So this is basically what the overall product looks like right here. If you guys can see, it's basically almost the same kind of design as this one right here. This one's actually a little bit taller and you guys can actually put more stuff in here as well. You guys can see the size comparison. But let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so you have the first layer that's basically the same thing as the first layer that you can see from the other one. And then the second layer, very similar if not the same as the other one as well. And at the very bottom you can see there's the last layer right there. So the other one didn't actually have this layer, but this one has it, if you can see. And that is basically everything that's in the packaging itself. If you can see, same design and everything where it's insulated and also has that vacuum sealing option as well to keep your food warm or cold for over 6 or 8 hours. But let's take a look at the container first. So I just opened up this one here. You can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. And this one is vacuum sealed as well. So if you guys do put like hot liquid in here, like maybe miso soup or something, you guys can definitely do that in here. Close it back up and you guys are all set for that one. Then put it back in. So that's the first layer. Second layer, same thing as the other one as well. So you can put rice in here or whatever. Close it back up, put it inside. And then the last layer right here, basically the same thing as the other one, but this one comes with a divider, which is pretty cool. So that way you can put stuff on this side and stuff on this side as well to separate it. And then close it back up. Close this one as well. And then put it on top. Clip it back in. And it's all set. So that's basically what these two look like right here. If you can see, it's very, very similar. Just this one's a little bit bigger and it is more of like a stainless steel material on the outside, whereas this one more like a plastic material, if you guys can see. So let me actually open up the last one right here, which is the one that I want to talk to you guys about compared to those two. But before I actually open the package itself, I want to show you guys this part here. So to show you guys can use this for soup, rice porridge, dessert, or anything else. You guys want to put like rice on one half and the other half is all like vegetables and meat and everything else. You can definitely do that as well. The main thing about this one is the fact that it's one whole jar and there's nothing separating it, like the way you guys saw from those two right there. But let's open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see that's well protected and everything. Alright, so right here we have the product. And same thing right here, they provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it, all the different parts, how to clean it, how to maintain it, and so on. So right here we have the product, so let's take this out first. And right here we have the actual product itself. So if we put it side by side, you can see how big it is. It's almost as big as this one, but it's not there yet. But like I mentioned, this is a one whole jar and it's not separated into different containers inside. So just put everything all in here. Top part right here, they have this lid right here that you can actually open up if you guys want to. I think this has something to do with the vacuum sealing or something, or makes it easy for you guys to clean here. I'm not 100% sure what this part is for, but you can just close it back up like this. Turn it all the way until it locks. Once it locks, then it's all set. They do have another layer right here that you guys can actually remove. That is basically what the inside looks like right here. And that's what it looks like inside here. If you can see, it's all stainless steel, and you can actually see the stainless steel, not like the other two containers that I just saw. So I believe this one actually has a better performance than those, because for this one you guys are directly putting the food, the drinks, or the liquid inside the actual container itself, and not separate it into like the separate containers. And then for the lid right here, you guys can actually remove this part right here to wash it. Same thing for this one as well. You just have to go like this, and it comes off. When it's done, push it back in. And then it's all set, that part. So once you guys put your food, your drinks, liquid, or whatever inside here, close back up, twist it all the way until it locks in, and it's all set. So that's basically what this container looks like right here versus the other ones that I saw right here and right here. So usually what they recommend for these containers is for you guys to put in some like hot liquid inside to preheat it first. Because if you're pouring like your liquid or food in here directly without preheating it, it might not stay as long as where it's wanted to be. So it's definitely really important for you to put some hot water in here first to let it preheat the actual container itself. And obviously for all these containers that I just showed you guys just now, they usually come in different sizes and different colors. They definitely have a lot of different options to choose from. And one thing that I want to point out is the fact that if you guys look in the front right here, it mentions for you guys to remove the sticker. But for me, when I use these three containers, I haven't need to remove the sticker out. If you guys want to, you definitely should. Like especially for this one right here, if you guys can see, I've been using it for quite some time. There's a lot of scratches here as well. And I haven't had to like remove any of these stickers. It actually performed really, really well. So now that we did unboxing and like feedback about the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any type of these containers, whether you guys get from this brand or from other brands that's very similar to these right here, as long as the product itself is insulated and stainless steel or whatever, where it can actually keep your food like warm or cold for a really long time, these are definitely really worth it. Like I mentioned earlier, it just depends on like the situation, on what you guys are planning to use it for. Whether you guys want to use it for soup, liquid, or whatever, it's probably more ideal for you guys to use this one right here. Like yes, the overall capacity on here is to actually carry a lot of stuff in here, but if you guys really think about it, it's actually wasting a lot of space inside here compared to this one right here. It's using the whole entire jar. It's not separating any containers that waste any space. So that's definitely something to kind of consider when you guys make this decision of like which one to get and like what type of like food container to get as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.